G'day guys, I'm Ralph from TOPGUN Welding Australia. Today we're here to talk about the all-new TOPGUN 182 multi-process MIG machine. Perfectly suited to the hobbyist right through to the tradie that requires a reliable compact unit with the convenience of single-phase 10 amp hour and the peace of mind that comes with a 3-year unconditional TOPGUN warranty. It's a 10 kilo machine weight and the ability to run from 0.6 wire right through to 1.2 wire in a wide range of materials including stainless steel, aluminium and mild steel. Able to accept a 1 kilo and a 5 kilo wire spool. It comes complete and ready to use, able to run TOPGUN spool gun if required. With an MB15 torch, a stick work lead and an earth lead, all 3 meters long, it truly is a reliable and complete solution for at home or on site. To learn more about these machines, please talk to your local TOPGUN stockist.